Today I'm reviewing this water flosser, and it has 3 modes, 6 intensity levels, BPA free, and yeah, so it has 300 milliliters, easy to clean tank, nozzle tip storage, and IPX7 waterproof. So here it is put together. It's actually pretty easy. It comes like this. You can actually put the water in here, and then you close it, so it's really easy to open and close, and then you just lock it in here. So this is how it looks. You can change all the settings, like here to the intensity level. You can change which one you want to do, clean, orthodontic, or jet, and then this is how you like turn it on and off. It also comes with 3 different nozzles. This one specifically is the standard. This one here is the tongue scraper. And this one right here is the orthodontic nozzle, and it has like a brush here, as you can see. So yeah, it has 3 different nozzles, and it's very easy to like put it on, and then you just put water and press it and start.